Okay, today we're gonna show how to make a primitive furnace. First of all, you click here to technology. You find the furnace here, unlock it. After you have unlocked it, you need wood, flame organ, and stone. Flame organs you get from these Pokemons. They drop flame organs. Try and find them and eliminate them. And then you just shop yourself some stone and then some trees over here. Okay, once you got enough stone and enough wood and enough flame organs, you just press B, you click it, you place it, and you just hold F. And that's how you make it. That's how you make their primitive furnace. Hope you enjoyed. Bye.